Every year, thousands of valuable films are lost. Not to fire, not to theft, but to time. Colors fade. Emulsions crack. Irreversible rot sets in, and once it's gone forever. Many of these films lie buried in museums, universities, and other institutions. Untouched for decades, they slowly disintegrate until all that is left is a pile of waste. What they all have in common is value, not just to those who shot them, but to all of us. A film reel is a kind of time travel. It's a way to see the past through the eyes of those who lived it. Film holds much more than just images. It holds memory, heritage, history. It's not just about saving the past, it's about giving the past a future. Here at CineScan, we recover what time tries to destroy. We digitize, restore, and preserve with precision and with true archival quality. Whether it's a rare documentary, an illustrious feature film, or a forgotten student film, we treat every frame as though it matters. Because it does. Look around you. What long-lost stories are waiting to be remembered? What irreplaceable footage is sitting forgotten in storage, one step away from being lost forever? Bring it to light before it's too late. CineScan, preserving the past for the future.